Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we will be making meatball and pasta pie. Now we had leftover meatballs and we had leftover pasta. Just so happened it was Edie. This recipe can be made with any leftover pasta you have. As a matter of fact, we did do a previous video called spaghetti pie. Bing. One bing. Now, Stu thinks he invented this recipe when he was in the U.S. Coast Guard, but nope. The recipe and the products you see us using here will be in the description below, along with all the links. Do Little House of Beans a cute little big favor. Click that notification bell, click that like button. Do subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Please comment. Please share your recipes as well. And we do have a Facebook group called Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Bing. I am ready to make baked meatball pasta pie, which Stu thinks he invented. Let's cook.